Oh, if you were my tutupu, ale sumasa e fafau. Tau so ai le musu paso ai malo ma fafau. Le fai mai o tangata tinga yo utalinga. Le mafutanga salele ya olea wa ele petia ina. Aisea ua ele ke amayai. Feel it on my fire. I lay my fire on to ai. Fea ngai na tawi leo tile anatele o suma ua Nanā le mea moni.
Just keep your head up, even though the road is rough at times. The journey's still early, don't give up, still keep on trying. Cause it's them trying times gonna really test you in real life. So roll them up and hold the line. And pray to God the Most High, please take the wheel. Sometimes you need to enjoy the ride and try to heal in due time. You will find who really real with you, who really ready to chill with you, ready to put it all on the line for you. Someday you will find in due time, but always keep your head up.
Feel it on my fire. Let me find my own to I. Oh, le fea ngai na tawi leo tile anatele o suma ua Nanā le mea moni. Ufesilia uo po ufea le tama itai. Masani ulima ile alasan vali. O itanei ua pupu nitate musu ile masiasi. Ele o sema o sengalu na unifafua a ele fasi. Feel it on my fire. I lay my fire on to I. Le fea ngai na tawi leo tile anatele o suma ua Nanā le mea moni.
Le machina ua faso poloa. Uchi la faso tangi ai fa no ua e mochu le ula ola ua shoa.
Feel it on my fire. I lay my fire on to I. Le fea ngai na tawi leo tile anatele o suma ua Nanā le mea moni. Le anatele o suma ua Nanā le mea moni. Le anatele o suma ua Nanā le mea moni.